Welcome. In front of me I have XIAOMI Smart Band 8 Pro, and I'm gonna show you how to set an image as a watch face on this watch. Basically, if you want to use your own image or a picture as a watch face. Before we start, if you want to use your own image or a picture as a watch face, your band or smart band needs to be paired with a phone via the Mi Fitness application. And once the devices are paired together, we can continue. So let's open the Mi Fitness application on the phone that is paired with our smart band. Then tap on the device icon, and here you should see your XIAOMI Smart Band 8 Pro on the device page. Now tap on Manage Band Displays, and here tap, or rather scroll through the list of watch faces. It should be at the top, but if it's not, look for the one called Custom. Once you find the custom one, tap on it, and here we have 6 different styles of watch faces. Find the watch face style you like, and once you find it, tap on it, and now we can customize it a bit further. We can change the text color. We can also select the custom color if you want to. We can select the style, but we have only one style, so if you want to select different style, you need to go back and select a different style. And once you're done customizing, you can tap on the plus button right here to add the background. It will open the basically file manager on your phone. You can look for the images on your phone. So I'm gonna open the download folder and select the image by tapping on it. And now we can crop the image. Basically select the part of the image to be on the watch face, because the whole picture won't fit on the watch face. And we can zoom in and zoom out, and we can move left and right and up and down. And once you select the part of the picture you like, tap on continue, and here we have a preview of our watch face. You can also add multiple images if you want to, so we can tap on the plus again, tap on download, and select, for example, this one. And then once you're done cropping the image, tap on continue. As you can see, now we have 2 photos. And once you're done adding the photos, you can tap on apply, and it's gonna be installed. After it's installed, it's gonna be applied, as you can see. And if you have multiple pictures in the photos added, you can tap on the current watch face to cycle between them, basically. Okay, and once you're done, you can close the app. And that's how you set an image as a watch face on this watch, or rather smart band. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.